Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your monthly reading for the month of August 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Aries. So let's see what is coming for you guys for the month of August. I will be adding oracle card, I will be adding charms, and I will be pulling out one color card as well. So stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. And yeah, you can also check out my sister's tarot channel as well. I will be adding the link to her channel in the comment section. If you like it, you can always become a part of her YouTube family as well. So let's get started. Let's see what is coming up for Aries in the month of August. Justice, Six of Pentacles, the High Priestess, Ace of Pentacles. There has been something that you have been very upset about. It can be a home life situation for majority of you where you were like, you felt like, you needed some sort of justice in a situation. Maybe you felt like, it doesn't have to be something severe kind of a matter, but it could be for some of you. Where you felt like, somebody was doing injustice to you in a situation. I feel like, in that situation too, you are going to be able to bring clarity to the person who was involved in the whole situation. And if the people were taking you wrong, you are going to come out of it with flying colors. People are going to understand that you didn't do anything wrong, or you were not the one at wrong in this particular whole situation. So I do see that, for others of you, if it applies to your love life situation, I feel like, there has been something which was very imbalanced in a relationship. I feel like, that imbalance is now, are finally getting balanced. If your person has been the one neglecting their responsibilities, I feel like, now they're ready to give the equal love, care, compassion, understanding, financial help into this connection. Again, I feel like, you could already see it coming when it comes to the justice that I'm talking about. You can already sense it coming, or you could already feel it coming. Be that in the situation, home life situation, or be that in work life situation, or be that in your love life situation as well. I feel like, you can already sense that some, because you have been the one who was always right in this whole situation, or who was all um, who deserve that justice. I feel like, you know it already. Like, that the truth will win, or the truth will come out, and then people are going to understand that you were the one who was right in this particular situation. So yeah, I do see that coming through for you. For some of you, you might be winning a court case as well. If you have been into any right now, or you have been into any right now, or you have been into one, I do see that, that court case is going to be, the verdict is definitely going to be coming out in your favor. And for some reasons, I'm picking up like, there will be some financial, stuff related as, to that court case as well. Which again, you will be earning some financial assistance as well through that court case or something. Like maybe you are winning some sort of money that you are going to win over because of the court case or something. That can be the case for some of you as well. But again, whatever it is that you are going to earn this month, it's something that you already see coming. Underneath the deck, you do have the Strength. Underneath that, you do have the Shadow, which is the Devil card, then the Hermit, and then the Emperor. um I feel like, it has taken a lot of time and courage from your part to get what you are getting right now, to have what you are getting right now. The justice that you are getting right now, you have waited, or you have earned this justice. Be that in your love life, be that in your work life, be that in your home life situation, you have worked towards it, and now you're getting what you worked towards. It's more like, reaping the reward of your labor. That's what I'm picking up. So if there's something that you're worried or upset about, be that a court case, be that something else, that you're dealing with in your life, and you feel like you are being misunderstood by the people around you, be that in work life, home life, love life situation, I would suggest you to give some sort of charity. That too is going to protect you from being misunderstood. Try to do that as well, because I do see that you can definitely protect yourself or your energies by giving some sort of charity as well. It's like things are going to shift for you in your favor if you give charity. Charity doesn't have to be something big. It can be anything that you feel is you can give comfortably. You can go for that as well. So yeah, let me pull two more cards here. If you have been having financial struggles, I feel like you are definitely getting some sort of good news around that as well. If somebody had stole your money, and again it can be related to the court case again, I do see that you are getting the money for sure. There is like financial thing coming up very strongly. For some of you, you really have to protect your energy at your work front, from your colleagues or something. Maybe they are going to put you in a trouble, or they will try at least, because I do see the truth will come out, and the person, which I believe is you, will come out of it with flying colors. But yes, while you deal with that situation, it's going to be like troublesome. But yes, I do see you have the courage to deal with it in a mature way, in a right way. But again, to avoid this inconvenience, I would suggest you to protect yourself by giving some charity, or you can also feed the birds as well if you can. That too is going to keep you protected, or your energy is protected. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading for you guys for the month of August. Calling in your soulmate, your prayers, affirmations, and visualizations help bring you together. If your love life has been out of balance, I feel like you can definitely use affirmations, visualizations, and prayers to settle down the things which are bothering you right now. um because I feel like it's more of the time where you staying connected to the source is going to be more important than you connecting to the person itself. Because I feel like something, again, even if it applies to your work life situation too, you trying to prove your point is not good, or is not as good as you having the faith in yourself and knowing that the truth will come out one day is going to be the key here. Same goes for your love life. If you really want something to happen for your love life, your affirmations, your prayers, your visualizations will bring you the result that you want, more than if you put your physical effort into having the desired outcome in this particular situation. Let's see which color is going to be lucky for you in the month of August. Rose, attractive relationship number 6. You have a strong chance of meeting the right one if again you use this visualization, prayer, and affirmation. If you are already in a relationship, if you are having struggles, again use affirmations, visualizations more than anything else to resolve the matter that you are having issues right now, regarding regarding to whatever it is that you are having issues with your person. Let's see what the charms has to add to the reading. So you do have two alphabets here, M and X. These could be your name initials of the person that you are dealing with, name initials of the people that could be influencing you or trying to create issues for you in your life, be that in your love life, work life, home life situation. Whatever the case is, whatever or whoever it is, that there is something, money matter is definitely involved here with the dollar charm here. It's again like there is some sort of money situation involved here, but again I do see whatever it is, it's going to work out for you in your favor. Try to be very cautious at your work front, because you might have people around you who could be if you are in a work zone where you have to give your ideas, maybe somebody can steal your idea again. If they do so, they are going to get all the praise that you deserve, and again they do injustice to you. Again, try to protect your energy so you don't face any sort of that kind of a thing. Then we do have a peacock here. Green, purple, blue is going to be the lucky color for you in the month of August, along with the rose as well. Then you do have the protection, but again, it's something that you have to stay tapped into. Like, if you again, two things you can do: stay tapped into the protection mode of yourself. If not, then you can always give charity, like especially when you maybe, when you before leaving the house, try to maybe feed the birds if you can. Kind, compassionate, true, brave, peace, strong, thankful. And yeah, one more thing: stay thankful in advance to your God, to your spirit guides, for protecting you and for saving you from any sort of mishap happening in your work front as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you in the month of August. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.